Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. Today we are going to change a mixed fraction to improper fraction. To change mixed fraction to improper fraction, we are going to multiply the denominator, multiply by the whole number, then we are going to add by the numerator. This is what we are going to do. Let's go and do question number 1. Over denominator, which is 3, we are going to get 3 multiplied by 2, 6, plus 1, 7, over 3. Let's go and do question number 2. Over denominator 4, 4 multiplied by 3, 12, plus 1, 13. It's going to be equal to 13 over 4. We'll take the denominator, multiply by whole number, plus numerator. Six times 4, 24 plus 5 is going to be 29 over 6. That is our improper fraction. Let's go and do question number 4. The same. We're going to take the denominator, multiply by the whole number, plus the numerator. Which is equal to 8 times 2, 16 plus 1, 17 over 8. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.